Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to test our thickness of planer. So we picked up this DeWalt DW735-XE from Bunnings a little while ago. We haven't used it yet. It was around about, I think it was 1150 or something. We got it for 800.
Because it was was it Shoff?
It was floor stock.
Floor stock, yeah.
Floor stock. So what we're doing is we're going to test it out today. The plan is we've got a whole bunch of these pallets. We picked them up around town for free. And we're going to plane them down. We've got the thinnest ones here to test it and set the depth. And we're going to use those pallets on a test wall in the house before we start our full renovation. So we've actually got this nice sort of, I don't know, panelled look, but without just, you know, like a feature wall kind of thing. Maybe do a whole bunch in blues, greens and reds, like a soft whitewash kind of look, and then just stagger them up. Could look like crap, could look good, great. So who knows? But either way, we're repurposing the pallets. So we'll get stuck into it. I think the first thing we have to do is bash it apart, bash the pallet apart and denail it. So we'll probably set this up in fast mode, and in between, and we'll do the pallet first, and then we'll have a go at the thickness of planer. And just a heads up, we've never used one, so this could be very interesting. We'll see how we go. It didn't come with a manual, so we're using GooTube or Ugle. So we'll see how we go. All right, fast mode. Knock these apart too.
We're going to have to get the magnetic thing because my
Kept dropping them.
well, half of them just fell out.
Oh.
So I thought I'll just leave them there and get the magnetic thing when we find it.
Well, there you have it. So one pallet we've dismantled, we've just taken most of it apart. It is definitely not a reusable panel. Pallet, sorry. Made from untreated pine, so made from untreated pine with some very tiny rusty nails that are so hard to get out. I've got a pair of nail pullers somewhere in the house, so we've managed to get 5. We'll give that a test, and we'll see how we go. I like how it's in millimeters, like it's good that it's got inches, but so that's 10 there. Do you want to feed it through or pull it through or what? Test out the first one?
Yeah, you can test out the first one.
The amount of that does a fantastic job. And but yeah, I think like Jody said, we'll need a little pipe, maybe something like a PVC pipe.
Yeah.
You know, just something to dummy it off to the side.
Just so it's not.
Yeah. That wood came up, that planed it. That is like, you wouldn't even need to sand that. That is so good. Haven't done the other side, so we're going to try that now just for fun. But probably don't need to if you're going to put it on the wall, because you only want that side facing it.
Yeah, save our blades.
I think save our blades, but what we might need to do is, if some of them are a different width, we might have to clump them together on the side and plane them down, because not all the boards over there are the same width. That some of them are wider. So this is the smallest piece of board. So we'll go off this as the size for all the others. We'll see how we go. If we don't want to use a planer for this, we have a table saw so we can rip it. You're Rocky, look. He wants to go inside because it's hot. It's like, what, 25?
I don't know what it is.
Yeah,
The breeze is nice.
I think they're forecasting storms, so we can feel the humidity, sweating in places we shouldn't sweat. All right, that was it. Just a short test. Thought it'd be fun to showcase this DeWalt thickness of planer, show you how it works, the quality it is, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.